Hey, you wanna sleep it very good in the night? You wanna block it all the noise in the night? This is the product for you. This is a wax pillow for blocking noise ear. This is how coming. This is a 15 pillow. So we should pack it one block, one white. So inside we have this beautiful, look at how look, coming with 15. So this is how look, let's go see. You open, and this how look. You can put in each ear, you can rest, you block all the sound outside. It's a wonderful product, good quality. So try this.